If you've ever accidentally deleted an important chat, message, photo, or video on Telegram and desperately wish there was a way to get it back, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your options are for recovering lost Telegram content, even if it seems like it's gone for good. Let's jump straight in and talk through the best methods to bring those deleted messages, chats, or media files back to life. First things first, Telegram's privacy policy is great for security, but it does mean your recovery options depend a lot on how and when something was deleted. Telegram doesn't store deleted private messages or files on their servers, so unlike some apps, there's no simple restore from cloud button. But don't lose hope, there are a few avenues we can explore, and timing is everything. Let's start with the quickest win, the undo option. Right after you delete an entire chat on Telegram, look for a small undo button that pops up at the bottom of your screen. This is a lifesaver, but it's only available for a few seconds. Think of it like a rewind feature on your TV remote. If you tap undo before the option vanishes, Telegram brings the whole chat back just as it was. Now keep in mind this won't work for single messages, only for entire chats. So if you realized instantly that you deleted the wrong conversation, act fast. It's like catching a dropped book before it hits the ground, you only have a moment. If you missed that short undo window, don't worry, there are other strategies. Here's a big one. Saved messages. This is your personal cloud space within Telegram. Think of it as a private stash or your own digital filing cabinet. If you ever forwarded important messages, photos, or videos to your saved messages chat, they'll still be safe even if you deleted them from the original place. To check, simply open the saved messages chat and scroll through your archive. Many people use saved messages as a backup space without even thinking about it, so if you're lucky, something you thought was gone might still be waiting there. Now suppose you deleted a message, a photo, or a video from your own side, but the person you were chatting with didn't. Telegram's deletion is local by default, meaning when you erase content, it's only gone from your chat history, not theirs. This opens up a helpful recovery route. Just ask your chat partner. Reach out and let them know you lost something important, and they can forward the original message or media file right back to you. There's no shame in relying on a friend or coworker for backup here. After all, that's what connections are for. Maybe drop them a quick message like, "Hey, can you resend that document photo?" And they should be able to help you out within seconds. Let me pause and reassure you. If you don't see the undo button, can't find the content in saved messages, and your chat partner also doesn't have it, unfortunately, there's not an official way to recover private messages or media. Telegram's privacy-first framework means that once something is deleted from both sides, it's truly gone. If you're watching this and feeling worried, take this as a reminder to forward important items to saved messages from now on. Think of it as keeping copies of your keys in a safe place. That's the full rundown for recovering deleted Telegram content as of 2025. It's all about acting quickly, checking your own backups, and not being afraid to ask others for help. I hope this guide made things clearer and helped you recover what you need, or at least plan better for the future. If this video was useful, hit the like button, and if you've got questions or your own restoration tips, share them in the comment section below. I love reading your stories and helping out where I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.